Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to quickly use a shortcut to undo the last action in Word. Ever find yourself making a mistake while working on your document? No worries, we've all been there. But here's a quick and easy way to fix it using a simple shortcut. First, open your Word document. Now let's say you accidentally deleted something or made a change you want to undo. For example, we will delete this part. We accidentally deleted this part. So instead of searching for the undo button, simply press Ctrl plus Z key on your keyboard. It's like a magic wand that undoes the last action you took. But what if you change your mind and want to redo the action you just undid? Easy peasy. Just press Ctrl plus Y key on your keyboard. It's like a time machine for your document. These shortcuts work like a charm, saving you time and effort without the need to navigate through menus. And that's it. You now know how to use the shortcut to quickly undo the last action or redo the last action you did in Word. It's a lifesaver when it comes to fixing mistakes on the fly. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to use shortcut to undo the last action in Word. See you on my next video.